Hello viewers. Today, we are going to cover the 5 best chess sets Amazon in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out on without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best for the money pick is Chess Armory 15-inch wooden chess set. A good chess game can be all that separates you from both a boring game and board game. In order to enjoy this game to the maximum, a piece like Chess Arsenal 15 wooden chess in September could make the difference in the world. It is not only aesthetically pleasing, but this game has wooden chess pieces accompanied by Staunton style. However, that classic sports chess look never goes out of style. The size of the plate itself is something to marvel at. It is very suitable for beginners and experts alike, and offers no restriction to one category or another. It also comes with a Start Chess brief tutorial, so if you order the game entirely new, there is nothing to fear. The inside of the plate itself is provided with a felt belt, which can be used to secure the pieces when the game is finished. Also, hinges on this chessboard put simple life on the board to protect against scratches and other irregularities. Number 2. Our second best pick is the Harry Potter Wizard chess set. If you dare, the world can enter magical chess, then this is the game for her. This is not to take one of those games that are really cool, chess is a completely different area. With the game Harry Potter Wizard Chess, you can dive into the magical world, while mental health sharpens skills. Thanks to this elaborate set design, players can participate in the final game. Feel better ripped off Harry Potter and the Sorcerer's Stone movie. The only thing missing is the ability to so they can when moving commands. But this chess game includes a total of 32 pieces and a chessboard. It also comes with a total of 2 shopping networks with which to store the pieces. Parts of it are each seen as a recovery in a detailed miniature chess wizard throughout the Harry Potter series. It offers a great way for muggles to dive into Magicka and people around the world in a good old fantasy fun. Number 3. Our third best pick is Winning Moves Games No Stress Chess Set. What if you have never played a game of chess in your life? Ahí está is always an opportunity to learn and gain chess without pressure offered on the avenue. For children and adults alike, this chess game deals up some valuable tips that make a pro in no time. The game is an innovative platform that accompanies the maps that guide students during the game. Therefore, it is before they are in operation, even I know. Can do everything from where to put the cards as they move places, simply run the pieces on the board in cards. To find and then shuffle and follow the instructions. The board itself is a chessboard regulation, however, does not work with motion before standard chess knowledge or planning. What makes it even better it's that different difficulty levels progress players. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Wegiel Ambassador European Chess Board Game. The mix of wood used to make this beautiful game of chess is a true testament to the excellent quality of the brand. Since 1964 they have been putting out high-quality wood. The best you can believe is that over time you have just become better. The chess board is Wegiel European Ambassadors, a testament to this fact. However, the set consists of beautiful chess pieces carved and accompanying fashion. The detail in each piece is not of this world, and it shows in every aspect of what it is. So the mixture of wood is used here. It is a balanced combination of book and birch. The pieces are designed with accompanying and hornbeam sycamore. They are further coated with felt at the base. It is desirable for the user to glue a washer under each piece so that it is covered with felt. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Yellow Mountain Imports Magnetic Travel Chess Set. Constantly be on the move, need not be the case boring or uncomfortable. In this time and age, there are so many small amenities that here and there make life much more pleasant. Imports of Yellow Magnetic Mountain Travel Chess is one of these institutions. It comes in the form of a compact great chess game for the journey that is sufficiently perfect for any trip. Moreover, it is large enough to allow an adult game in the making. If wide, Arrange this checkerboard action to a compact 9.7 by 9.7 by 0.95 inches. The plate itself is magnetic and corresponding parts are also magnetic. In this way, games can be without problems while on a bumpy road or unpredictable only on a stage outdoors. Therefore, it is easy to collect when arrested for no matter what the external conditions. There is no need to go in search of chess pieces, this set comes complete with all the parts of the game required. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.